I'll show you how to create a sales quotation in AutoCount Accounting. Start by going to the Sales module. Click on Quotation. Then click New to create a new quotation. Select the debtor, the name and address will autofill, if already set in debtor maintenance. Fill in additional fields like branch, validity, reference, or CC as needed. The quotation number, date, and credit term are also autofilled. However, you can edit or modify them if needed. Optionally, you can enter details such as delivery term, payment term, sales agent, and shipping info. To add items, click the plus sign to open the item selection listing. Choose your item. Enter the quantity, and add any discount or tax if needed. Once done, click Save and Preview to view the generated quotation. Next, let's create a sales order. In the Sales module, select Sales Order. Click New to start a new sales order. Choose the debtor. To save time, click Transfer from Quotation. You can choose either a full document transfer or a partial item transfer. Tick the checkbox for the items you want to include. Click Save and Preview to generate the sales order. Now, let's proceed with the delivery order. In the Sales module, click on Delivery Order. Click New to create a new record. Select the debtor. Use Transfer from Sales Order to bring in existing order data. Again, choose Full Document or Partial Item Transfer. Tick the box next to the sales order you want to transfer. Click OK to continue. Update the quantity if you're delivering lesser items than ordered. Click Save and Preview to generate the delivery order. Finally, let's generate a sales invoice. From the Sales module, click on Invoice. Click New to start a new invoice. Select the debtor. Click Transfer from Delivery Order to pull in the delivery details. Choose either Full Document Transfer or Partial Item Transfer. Tick the items you wish to include. Click OK, then Save and Preview to view the sales invoice. You've now completed the full sales transaction flow in AutoCount Accounting, from quotation to invoice.